From the Earth's depths, raw iron ore begins its transformation for a formidable naval vessel. Across vast distances, these materials fuel the heart of aircraft carrier construction. From raw might, foundational steel evolves into structural power for the carrier. Engineered for resilience, each pass refines the metal for its naval role.
Easy, easy. Set it down right there. All right, secure the straps. Cross-referencing the schematics now.
Everything matches the prototype specs. Flawless execution.
Every cut embodies engineering excellence, forming the ship's vital structures.
Precision begins long before fabrication, with meticulous inspection.
Each rotation sculpts the massive propeller, engineering immense propulsion power. Every dimension undergoes precision verification to ensure flawless performance.
All right, she's seated. Start the securing sequence.
Roger that, commencing weld.
Alignment holding steady at 0 tolerance.
Confirmed.
Proceed with final lock.
Locking sequence engaged. Integration complete.
Each weld reflects craftsmanship, dedication, and absolute precision. Hour by hour, block by block, the carrier's massive frame rises.
All right, take the tension. Watch your feet.
Clear on this side, slow lift.
Perfect connection. The island is secured as the carrier's command center.
Okay.
Arresting gear systems take shape deep within the hull, calibrated for perfection.
Bring it down. down easy. Watch your clearance on the port side.
All right, she's almost home. A little further.
Looks good. Secure it.